Hello, I'm Tiffany from Custom Service Hardware. Today on Tips from Tiff, I'm going to show you a great blind nailing option that you can use on your next carpentry project. The problem we're trying to solve is the unattractive nail holes in woodworking. You could just countersink the brad or nail and then fill the hole with a plastic wood putty. But if you're using a clear finish, it could be hard to get an exact color putty to match, especially when you consider that most woods change color over time. The solution I'm going to show you today is super quick and easy, and I'm going to demonstrate it using the blind nail tool from FastCap to join these two pieces of wood together. First, I'll secure the first piece of wood using my clamp on my Craig workbench. And then I'm going to put a blind nail in the blind nail tool, short side in, and it's magnetized to help hold it in place while I set it in. And then I'm just going to hammer it into the wood. Now all I have to do is set the second piece of wood into the two perfectly set blind nails in the first piece of wood. And if you feel your project needs a little extra adherence, just add a little wood glue before attaching the two pieces of wood. This technique comes in handy for things like scribe molding, aligning drawer fronts, finished end panels, building picture frames, and any other application you can think of. Well, now you know a great method for concealing nail holes in your wood projects. Thanks for watching Tips from Tiff. Happy woodworking!